How you guys doing? This is SPV2291 doing a review for the Altec Lansing Orbit Mp3. Just came in today and I've heard some good things about it. Gonna do an unboxing here for you and a brief review. I already put a slit in here. Just some info nobody really cares about. Stop. Let's see. Adjust the volume 85-90% of your other device, laptop or iPhone, anything that plays music basically. Alright, let's see what else we got. This is pretty much it. Just gotta open this. It's a little bit tough to open. Let's demolish this box a little bit. Come on. Okay. Let's see here. Here's the back of the box in case anybody was wondering. This is pretty much all it has. It's 360-degree sound field, tough design. Easily connects to iPhone, iPod, any other MP3 player, and plays up to 24 hours on a 3 AAA batteries. And looks like it doesn't come with it. So I'm gonna grab a pair. Okay, guys, now I got the batteries. Just flip it over. Give this a twist. Let's see if I can do this here. This way. Let's see here. Alright. 3 AAA batteries. There you go. Put the cap back on. I'm gonna align it perfectly. It's actually a little tougher than it looks. Let's see here. Alright, got it. Okay, we're all set. So this is all that came in the box, just this device and this little hand strap here. If you want to put it on your bike or carry it around with you, I guess. Alrighty, and let's just give this a test run. Here's a design if you're wondering. Lansing logo. There's a little plastic here. We can take this off. Alright guys, I got a playlist ready for you. We're going to do some audio comparisons between the Altec Lansing and just some laptop speakers, which actually also are Altec Lansing built-in speakers, but we'll give it a test run. I got 3 different genres for you guys. We'll do hip-hop, pop, and rock. We'll start with hip-hop. All these songs will be in the description, in case you're wondering. Alright, here we go. Hip-hop.
Just like they was limbo with. Everybody simple then, and these niggas is simpletons. Tell them bitches fall back, just like they was limbo with. We still gotta act your rubber, showtime we be limbo.
Next we have pop.
Days like this. shooting me up and spitting me out like I was poison.
And finally, we have rock.
I guess I just got lost in being someone else. I tried to kill the pain, nothing ever helped. I guess I just got lost in being someone else. I tried to kill the pain, nothing ever helped. I left myself behind. So where?
And that sounds a ton better than the stock Altec Lansing speakers that I have in the laptop. I mean, a ton better. The volume increase, I would say, is at least 35 to 40%, but the quality of the audio is, I would say, I have to say 85 to 90% better, if not 100%. So I would definitely recommend these speakers. I just got it today. I'll do another review sometime, let you know if it's still working or not, but I've heard great things about this. And yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Comment, like it if you want. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Alrighty, I'll see you guys in the next video, and subscribe if you liked what you saw. Alright then, take care.